Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about influence of alloying elements. Which alloying element is primarily added to steel to increase its hardenability? A. Copper. B. Nickel. Manganese. D. Aluminum. E. Zinc. The correct answer is C. Manganese. What is the main purpose of adding chromium to stainless steel? A. Increase strength. B. Improve ductility. C. Enhance electrical conductivity. Improve corrosion resistance. E. Reduce density. The correct answer is D. Improve corrosion resistance. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. Which alloying element is known for improving the high temperature strength of steel? A. Lead. C. Molybdenum. E. Sodium. The correct answer is C. Molybdenum. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.